Hello, what is up guys? Eman from Peso Smart PH here. Welcome sa panibagong episode. Shout out to all the podcast listeners as well. I appreciate you all. Today, let's talk about SCC, Semirara Mining and Power Corporation. We covered SCC last May 19, 2022 as you can see here sa inyong screen. And at that time, yung current market price niya was around 31.20%. And from the lows nung 2020, it was up by around 194%. So, almost 3x na yung inyong capital. If ever nakabili kayo at around below 10 pesos. Kasi yung lowest niya at that time was around 8.30 pesos per share. And nung May 19 to be specific, 31.20 pesos yung trading price niya. And right now, it is currently trading at 40.70 pesos per share. That's crazy. That is crazy. And if you take a look at the daily chart, so, nasa na ba yung price niya? So, nag-open siya at around 39.15, then nag-close at 40.70. So, maraming gusto mag-enter sa stock na to, sa company na to, and they want to accumulate some position for the stock. Although, in my opinion, it's a bit overheated na. Kasi, if you take a look at the longer time frame, this is the advantage of looking at longer time frames. Yung all-time high ng Semirara ng SCC was around 50 pesos per share back noong September 2017. And noong 2017, dyan nagbo-bull run yung PCAing. So if you can see here, tinan yung RSI ng PCAing. So ito yung index. So nung September, wait, tama ba? Ano nangyari? Mali. LTG. What the hell am I doing? Okay, sorry about that. So, September 2017. Short-term memory. Ano ba yan? September 2017. Sabihin natin 11. So, dito rin nag-all-time high. Malapit na mag-all-time high yung PCAing. So, at that time, sa weekly RSI natin, kita natin na overheated na and overbought yung market. If you take a look at the 1 month time frame, nung 2018, nag-peak din yung RSI. Monthly RSI ito. So, around 9,000 yung inabot ng PCAing. And same thing sa Semirara. So, nag-all-time high siya ng 50, doon din nag-peak yung monthly RSI. And right now, we are currently there as well. So, you have a choice here. You can probably take some profits and lose on some more capital gains if ever man tumuloy itong run na to. But if we're looking at the all-time high again, yung ira-run na lang niya is around 22%. So, if ever you have, for example, 1 million on Semirara right now, so you're gonna miss on around 220,000 pesos. If ever maging 50 pesos ulit yung trading price ng Semirara. Again, this is just speculation. Yung fundamentals ng Semirara ng SCC didn't change at all. It's still the same company. It's still doing what it does previously. In the past decade, maybe some improvements, some greener, what they call this, greener, not really projects, but I forgot the term, greener initiatives. So naubusan tayo ng words earlier, but in essence and bottom line, SCC is a mining company, and their main business is coal mining, and then like production of energy. So it didn't really change. Yung business essentially didn't really change. But yeah, what we're seeing here is an opportunity to like bag in or secure those realized gains. If ever, nakabili ka is nung time dito, nung 2020 up until May 2021, before siya nag-run up. And if we take a look at more indicators, take a look at volume, take a look at bull market support band, kita naman natin. Yung bull market support band, ito similar lang to sa ginagamit natin sa Bitcoin, sa crypto, na 20-week SMA and 21-week EMA. So, essentially, kapag nasa taas nitong bull market support band, yung trading price, sabihin nun, nasa bull run siya. So, kita naman natin dito. Since nung nag-all-time high siya, since October 2016, nasa taas na and hold as support yung bull market support band, and then eventually nag-top dito. Then, bumagsak na siya. And essentially, after nung top na yun, bumagsak na lang siya ng bumagsak. And nag-enter siya sa a couple of years of bear market. And then, nag-bottom out dito noong 2020. So, from 2017 up until 2020, nasa bearish stage na siya. Then eventually, dito, nagkaroon ng magandang run ng konti nung December 2020. Kita naman natin sa RSI. Then eventually, bumagsak ulit. Although na-hold na ng support yung bull market support band, but eventually, nag-run pa lang ulit siya nung May 2021 up until now. Kita naman natin dito, diba? Na-hold siya as support. Although nagde-dip siya ng konti or nagde-trade siya dun sa area ng bull market support band, nakita natin na hold siya as support and hindi siya bumabagsak. So, ibig sabihin, bullish pa rin yung market and yung stock na to. But yeah, I mean, if you're buying at these prices, you have to tread lightly in my opinion. Kasi you're heading towards the all-time high. And more often than not, pagka nag-all-time high or malapit na sa all-time high yung mga stock prices ng kahit ano namang asset, no? Maraming nagte-take profit kasi there are traders out there. I mean, mga day trader, diba? Everyday nga halos nag-execute ng trade na nagte-take profit if ever tumakbo, no, yung kanilang stock or yung asset na binili nila. But yeah, if you're a long-term holder, probably it's a good idea to consider taking some profits. But if you don't really care, if trip mo lang i-hold talaga yung Semirara and makita yung mga unrealized gains or paper gains sa portfolio mo, then yeah, that's fine. And if you're just DCAing or PCAing, peso cost averaging sa stock na to, then you don't really care about the prices, right? So every time magkaroon ka ng capital, additional capital, you just buy in sa market. And nag-average out lang din naman, no? Whether tumaas or bumaba yung prices, nag-average out lang yung cost basis mo sa particular stock na yun. But it's something to consider. Again, I'm just showing you some data, some technical analysis, and this is dubious at best. Kasi nagsispekulate lang tayo na pwedeng ito na yung top, pwedeng pumunta siya sa 50 ulit, pwedeng bumagsak na, di ba? But yeah, ito yung mga pinapakita sa atin ng indicators. And kita naman natin, yung trading volume is mataas din for this particular stock. So, sobrang liquid din itong stock na to if ever you want to secure some profits. And again guys, I want to reiterate, longer time frame, no? 1 month. And ilang beses pa lang nagpunta yung RSI above 70. So, sa magandang run na to, na at that time, that was the all-time high of this stock. Nag 77.49. Then, ito dito, nag 72.98. Nataasan niya yung previous all-time high. Then, dito nag all-time high ulit at around 20 pesos and 35 centavos 11 years ago. And nag 88.79 yung RSI. Monthly RSI ito guys. Nandito, ang taas ulit, 75.26. Nandito, nag all-time high ulit. So, binibit lang niya na binibit yung previous all-time high. 78. Nandito, 73.36. 42 na siya dito. Then, eventually, nagkaroon ng konting bearish na bagsak dito from 2015 to 2016. About a year. And then, umakyat ulit siya. Nag-75 yung RSI. Nag-50 pesos siya. Then, eventually nga, bearish siya until no 2020. And then, ngayon, bullish na ulit. So dito, nag-68.35 siya noong October 2021. Kala natin ito yung highest. Kala natin magsa-sideways siya, but pumalo pa ulit yung 2022 because of the war dun sa Russia and sa Ukraine. And nag-comment nga. Thank you very much for that. Tingnan natin yung comment niya. But yeah, anyways, 74.80 yung RSI currently. Monthly RSI yan. So that's pretty high. So ito yung comment si Fernando Dumuk. Sorry about that. Thank you, sir, for the comprehensive review of SCC. May I request that you do a similar review on GMA7, also a good dividend payer. The unusually high 2022 Q1 income at 15 million pesos, I think billion yan, is mainly due to high gold prices caused by the Russian invasion of Ukraine. So yeah, thanks for pointing that out. Since it looks like Russia has no plans to stop the war, gold price will remain high and therefore SCC will continue to benefit. And he is right. And kita naman natin 40 pesos na nga nagtitrade. 40.70 pesos na nagtitrade yung SCC currently. Pag tingnan natin yung PSC Edge, hindi pa nga updated yung 52-week high. 40.70 yan yung 52-week high niya. And yung 52-week low was 15.78. So, di ba, imagine if you bought at this current price. Dun sa hindi pala current price. Previous price na 15.78. So, you're enjoying some unrealized gains right now. And if ever you sell earlier, or like at 40 or 40 something, then na-realize mo yung gains na yun, obviously. And financial reports tayo, hindi pa na-update, but probably this month, magre-release na sila ng mga financial reports for the second quarter of 2022. So, earnings season na this July and August. So, yeah, 15 billion, hindi million yung net income nila. 15 billion nung first quarter ng 2022. And as you can see here, 2.3 billion yung first quarter earnings nila, net income for 2021. And 2022, nagballoon nga yan to 15 billion pesos. If mag-forecast tayo, you know, if maulit lang to na maulit or mag-increase pa, so around 60 billion pesos yung kanilang magiging net income for the whole year of 2022. And imagine kung magkano ibibigay nila ng dividends next year. I mean, pwede naman nilang ilagay lang din sa retained earnings yun, or like reinvest in a company or whatever. But if ever they pay out like, sabihin natin 50% ng 60 billion pesos, that's 30 billion pesos, then i-divide mo dun sa total shares, outstanding shares ng Semirara. So if ever that happens, no, nasa 7.05 pesos yung magiging dividends next year. Again, speculation lang to, this is dubious. At best, nag-ano lang tayo, nanghuhula lang tayo dito. And then divide natin sa 40.7. So around 17% yung dividend yield nun. So that's a bit high, and I think highly unlikely naman na mangyayari yun. But yeah, that is one possibility if you're being optimistic. If you're being a pessimist, sabihin natin mga 4 pesos lang. Kasi around ganito palaging binibigay nila 1.5, 1.75. And last year, I believe 2 beses sila nagbigay ng dividends. Let's recheck that. Yep, 2 beses sila nagbigay last year, 1.95 and 1.75. So around 3 pesos. So, hindi malayo yung 4 pesos, diba? And yung kinita nila, nakabase kasi yung binibili ng dividends for the following year sa previous year earnings. So, kung ibabase natin, net income nila nung, what they call this, nung 2020, 3 billion lang, 3.2 billion. Although, ang laki nung kinikita nila last year, naging 16 billion, nagballoon din. So, dito rin medyo nakabase dun sa earnings sila ng 2021, yung special dividends na 1.75 last year. But this year nga, they're having a very good year. And 16 billion yung kinita nila for the whole year of 2021. And for 2022, first quarter pa lang 15 billion na yan. So we can expect na around 3 pesos ulit yung ibigay nila this year. Kasi kung magbibigay man sila ng special dividends at the end of this year. Kasi nag 1.5 na sila this year, yung usual nila talaga. And in comparison to last year, 1.25 yon. So, kung 1.75 yung binigay lang special, sabihin natin 2 pesos yung ibigay this year. So, 1.5 plus 2 pesos, kung i-divide natin sa current market price, 40.7, around 8.5% na dividend yield. Effective times natin sa 0.7 sa 90% kasi may 10% na tax. So, effective 7.73% if ever 2 pesos yung ibibigay nila na dividends, na special dividends this year. Ito yung spreadsheet ko. Kumbaga parang sheet na rin to. So, 40.70. So, if 52-week high niya, kailangan natin baguhin din dito. 52-week low, 15.96. Yung floor is 34. Ito, tataas na rin to. Hindi ko lang na-update. So, upside, downside, well, 0% yan. Kasi kakakuha lang niya nung 52-week high. And then, percentage change from 52-week high is 0 kasi yun yung 52-week high niya currently, current market price. And yung dividends, so currently nga, nag-base silang dividends since 2008. Yan pala yung nakikita ko or nakuha ko na data. But yeah, so consistent naman sila, hindi sila nag-miss ng dividend payouts. So sa 1.5 nga, current dividend yield niya is 3.69. Madoble rin to. So around 7.2%. And then effective nga kailangan mo multiply sa 0.9. And yung average dividend yield naman niya in the past 5 years, mataas din, 13.04%. Kasi medyo mababa pa yung prices niya the previous years. And yung 5-year dividend payout ratio on average is 104%. So, lagi lang nilang binibigay sa mga stockholders nila yung kinita nila. Diba? Sinishare lang nila yon. Very similar sa GMA7. So, that's pretty solid. And if ever nga, yung forecast for 2022 is 60 billion pesos. If ever man, 15 billion every quarter yung kanilang net income. Or if ever man mag-increase pa. Of course, speculation lang to and forecast dubious at best. So yeah guys, I guess that's gonna be it for this episode. Sana may natutunan kayo. And if umabot kayo at the end of this video, thank you very much. I appreciate you. Give this video a thumbs up if natiripan nyo yung content ko. And if hindi naman, give this video a thumbs down. If bago ka sa channel ko, click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell para wala akong ma-mess out sa mga uploads ko every single day. You may support the channel by becoming a YouTube member. So, yung YouTube membership, may details yan sa description sa baba and meron ding link. Another way to support the channel is to use my affiliate links. If ever may bibilin kayo sa Shopee or sa Lazada, may mga links din ako dyan sa description sa baba. Thanks again for watching and listening, everyone. Stay safe. I will see you on the next episode. Always remember, be Peso smart.